So how can you get rid of the objects in your photos on iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new here on this channel on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe, and that way you're not going to miss the future uploads and videos which you're going to find helpful as well. Well, on your iPhone, if you run the latest version of iOS, you can go to the Photos app, tap on individual pictures, and click on the Edit button below. This will make the regular editing tools appear, but you should also see the eraser icon, which is titled Clean Up. And you can tap on that. Perhaps it might take a second to load up and get there, but you will be able to just select some objects with your finger on the screen on the image, and it will try to replace it by the different pixels in the background, right? So it's going to use the surrounding pixels to try to replace it and make it look like as if that object has never been there to begin with. So that's how you can do this. On the other hand, you should also know that some iPhones may not feature that solution which I've shown you, right? You simply might not be able to find that button in your Photos app, and that might be mostly because of the software update, but even some older devices may not have that feature available. And in that case, you can use something like Google Snapseed, which is a photo editor from Google. It gets the job done as well, where you can import your images into the edit mode and go to the tools at the bottom and select healing, which is titled differently, but it does exactly the same thing, where you select some of the objects on the screen and it will try to replace those pixels with something else to make it look a bit different, to get rid of the objects there. So that's how it works. Let me know if you have managed to successfully do this on your device. I would really appreciate your feedback below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.